constantly wetting your hair without letting it dry. Hi guys, this is LovelyAma and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. If you are watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it now. Yeah, and also guys, remember to click on the bell so that you'll be the first person to have a notification whenever I post a video. And please don't forget to follow me on my social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. So in this video we are going to talk about hygral fatigue, see the causes, what is it and how to prevent it. So at first we must know that moisturize is what keeps our curls from drying out and from breaking off. And over moisturizing your hair is what caused hygral fatigue. So the question is, what is hygral fatigue? Hygral fatigue is simply when your hair cuticle is damaged due to excessive moisturizing and also overworking your hair. And so we have to also know that guys, our cuticle is not designed to be over moisturized. So if you over moisturize it's like you make your hair weak and it breaks off easily. If you have high porosity hair, because your cuticle is open, it is easily for water to enter in and come out of it. So like it's easy for you to have hygral fatigue. But if you have low porosity, it's very hard for you to have hygral fatigue because your cuticle is closed, so it does not permit water to enter in or come out that easily. So what are the causes of hygral fatigue? If you constantly wet your hair without letting it dry, you can experience hygral fatigue. Also, if you over condition your hair, maybe because normally conditioners are made to be kept in our hair for 20 to 40 minutes, but there are some people that use it overnight, they sleep with it and they wash it out the next morning. I'm not saying it's not good, but you can experience hygral fatigue from it. And when you don't use enough protein inside your hair, you can experience hygral fatigue. So how can you see if you have hygral fatigue? Some of the signs is that your hair breaks easily, and when you pull your hair, when it's wet, it doesn't bounce, it doesn't go back to normally how it has to be, and you shed a lot. That is when you see that you have hygral fatigue. And how can you prevent from having hygral fatigue? So if you don't want to have hygral fatigue and you have low porosity hair, you since your hair, I normally say our hair because I'm low porosity. So if you have low porosity hair, since your hair already have protein in it, okay, you have to use less protein in your hair. You have to use products with less protein in it. And also, if you have high porosity, you have to find a balance between moisturize and protein. But we should also know that using too much protein can cause damage to our hair. Protein is good because it helps to restore and strengthen your hair, but if you use it too much, it can cause damage. And if we do pre-poo also strengthens our hair. So if you do pre-poo, you have to, like, if you do pre-poo, guys, it will help to prevent hygral fatigue. If you wet your hair, please, if you moisturize your hair, you wet your hair, let it dry, guys. Leave your hair for it to dry. And you also must not over condition your hair. If you want to prevent yourself from having hygral fatigue, you must not over condition your hair. And you have to use product with less pH in it, because our hair already have a slight, likely acidic pH in it. That, like, the pH level is 5.5 to 5.5. No, 4.5 to 5.5. So we must use products with less pH in it. So these are all the things that you can do to prevent your hair from, like, having hygral fatigue. So this is all for this video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. Yeah, I've explained this video like very simple for us all to understand and get this information. Okay, this small information. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also share with your friends so that they can also learn something from this video. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Stay safe and peace. Bye. Bye.
Lord, only one